Dentmate invoicing and estimating software. Today I want to show you a quick tip about using a measuring app for the iPhone. Okay guys, let me show you how to use this measuring app for iPhone, and Android has one as well. So this is my iPhone. I have a section for PDR, as you can see, Dentmate, A1 Tools, and PDR Contractors. I put my measuring app there so it's easy to find, so it's next to my Dentmate. So basically I'm going to click this, and it's asking me to move the iPhone until it picks up the surface. And I went ahead and marked this dent. So to get an accurate measurement of this dent without using a price guide or a tape measure, I'm going to use this. So that dent right there is 6 inches. So I'm going to take a photograph of it. And as you can see in the photograph, it comes up with 6 inches. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to save that to my iPhone. And I'm going to put that in my Dentmate estimate. Save the photos. So when I click on my Dentmate, I've already scanned and got the VIN in. And I'm going to go into my photos, and I'm going to upload that from my library. And there it is. I'm going to put right rear quarter. So that way my customer can see how many inches that I'm charging them for, and then I would go in. Okay guys, let me show you. We'll click the measuring app. Now once you're in the measuring app, you're going to find the surface. Once you do that, now you have a dot, and you're going to use the little X down there. Click to your surface from point A to point B, and that gives you your inches. So now I'm going to snap a photo with the photo button down there at the right. Click that. Now I'm going to go up to done, and then I'm going to save this photo to my camera on my phone. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go into Dentmate, and I'm going to start with a retail estimate. I'm not going to check it in yet, we're just doing an example. I'm going to click photos, go to all photos, I'm going to click that last photo I took as it uploads into the system, and now I'm going to label that photo, the quarter panel. Alright. And now I'm going to go into my dent information. I'm going to click SUV. And I'm not doing a full scale estimate, I'm just showing you for an example. So I'm going to click add a dent. I'm going to go up to 6 inches. I'm going to say it's a medium depth. Then I'm going to go get my markups in there. That gives me my dent. And we're just writing an example estimate. I'm going to click that. I'm going to take the tail light out. So that's how you do it. Okay guys, that concludes the video, and just a little tip to use with your Dentmate software is using the measuring app. Again, iPhone is the one we use today, and then also Android has a measuring app as well. So if you're looking for PDR software, go to dentmatepro.com and sign up for your 30-day free trial. Thanks for watching this video.